See how much love you have from our Telugu people. So is there any chance to work in Telugu?
I would love to, of course, if there's a good character. As I said, I love the way directors and writers here look at their heroes. I think that hero worshipping or that hero character looks like a quintessential hero, and that's very exciting for me as an actor. That's what I grew up on, even watching in Hindi. So of course, there's a character, and there are directors. There are so many directors who are doing such amazing work here and writing such characters and films which could have various other actors do their parts, like what we've seen in the past. So yeah, would be great and lovely.
So who is your favorite in Telugu?
Director? As I said, on top of my head would be Rajamouli sir. I think who have enjoyed his cinema over the years, and hats off makes that hero celebrate on that screen, which is what really I aspire as an actor. And there's so many actors as well. I think I've even seeing Allu Arjun's work or seeing Ram Charan's work, or all of these actors inspire us in different ways, and the characters they're playing. Even my wife is here. Kiara's here half the time. This is her second home as well. She's shooting with Ram Charan and Shankar sir for Game Changer. So we kind of keep seeing things and understanding work cultures from her as well in the house in Mumbai. But yeah, to name a few would be Rajamouli sir.
హిట్ టీవీ ప్రెజెంట్స్ లైక్ షేర్ కమెంట్. టీవీ వాళ్ళకు కూడా నేను ఒక సర్ప్రైజ్ ఇద్దాం అనుకుంటున్నాను. మీరు మాత్రమే జెస్సీ ఎందుకు అయ్యారు?
ఇలాంటి అమ్మాయిలకి పిలవడానికి బాగుంటుంది.
చందు సాయికి లైక్ యూ అండ్ హ్యావ్ ఏ జనాలకి ఒక పేరు నచ్చిందంటే దీనికి ఒక ప్రాసెస్ ఉంటుంది.
ఎందుకు ప్రాసెస్ డైరెక్ట్గా వెళ్ళిపోదాం.
ఏదైనా ఒకటి మర్చిపోయినావా నువ్వు? ఏం మర్చిపోయావు?
ఏదో ఆ టైంకి మన సుడి బాగుంటే ఎవరన్నా చూపిస్తే రాయగలం కానీ డోర్ టు డోర్ సేల్స్ చేసేవాళ్ళు. శారీ వస్తుంది, శారీలో వెనకాల కట్టుకుని